Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor.
Welcome back, everybody. Sorry I was away a minute, but I am back. We're back on it. So here we have the VGR V-995. Had to pick this one up. This looked like the Kiemi 2299 and the 2293, but VGR's variant. Upon arrival, I was very surprised that this thing is 2-speed. It is USB-C. No battery display, but it is more of a budget clipper. Nice VGR blade. But the problem is, which if it was changed, I think it would make it an excellent clipper for the price, is there's no adjustment screws to zero gap the blade. You guys asked me if blades are zero gappable, and all you have to look for is if there's screws right here on the moving blade on both sides. If the blade has screws there, then more than likely it is zero gappable. This one is not, but it cuts great. It feels very smooth. It's light in the hand. Where I've been actually liking to use this thing is on kids. It seems like it's zero gapped so perfect that it won't pinch little kids' skin. It won't irritate them. It won't bite them. It won't make them say, ow, you're hurting me. None of that. It cuts very sharp lines in children's hair. So that's where I've been using this one, and I actually like it. It's very comfortable to use. If you could get a adjustable blade on here that you could zero gap, it's not a bad machine at all, especially with that 2-speed. It's pretty nice. This one is a very, very simple review. Not much to it. Just grabbed it just to see what's up. I like it. I like it for kids. Might even be good for somebody just cutting themselves at their house and they don't want to deal with a blade that has to be adjusted. This one's pretty good. Cuts smooth. I haven't had any snags or drag, but I haven't been going through heavy bulk. I've been doing kids. Basically kids lineups and little parts, little lightning bolts, little designs and stuff. I like picking it up. At peace of mind when I'm touching kids' skin with this blade. My other blades, I have to be very careful because I keep them so that they're, cutting grown men's beard and shit. Not bad. VGR V995. If they added an adjustable blade to it, it'd actually be a really cool machine for the price. Not the most premium feeling machine, a good machine for the price. This was just a very simple, very quick video. Hope you guys like it, and we are on to the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Scissor hands out.